Here we are going to learn a few things about the brain plasticity or the neuroplasticity. What do we mean by brain plasticity? Is our brain made of plastic? No, of course not. Plasticity is the lifelong ability of the brain to reorganize neural pathways based on new experiences, like the ability of the plastic to reorganize itself when something happens to the plastic. Likewise, when we acquire new knowledge and skills through instruction or experience, our brain, reorganizes itself according to the new experiences coming in our way. The definition says that neural plasticity, which is also known as neuroplasticity or the brain plasticity or the cortical plasticity, is the changing of the structure, function, and organization of neurons in response to new experiences. Our brain is made up of many different neurons, and these neurons change themselves in terms of their structure, their function, and their organization from one to the other in response to the newer experiences. And this specifically refers to the strengthening or weakening of the nerve connections. Our nerves are connected to each other through their axonal connections and through their dendrite connections. How our paths are created? We are moving into a straight line and something comes up. Here it is coming up in the form of new experiences, and that changes the path, the straight path that we were moving into, and it results into some kind of interaction which forms a new path for the happening experience. The result is a new connection in the brain. This happens with the process of axonal sprouting. In the axonal sprouting, the healthy axons sprout new nerve endings that connect to other pathways which was not predetermined when the axon was formed. This, because of the new experience, a new pathway comes up, takes birth. This can be used to strengthen the existing connections or to repair damaged parts of the nervous system. When our brain gets a little damage, our neural pathways repair those damage and restore them to full functionality. And we have had many experiences of this kind of reorganization without recognition. The, in the old age, we lose our memory, and the explanation is that many of our neural connections get weakened, and so the two-way process, that new connections, it takes a lot of time to form new connections, and also the old connections are losing their attachment, and this results in the memory loss or the functional loss in the old age. This is in brain, this process is known as synaptic pruning. This sensory information must somehow to be backed up, but how to do it? For now, I am giving only this much information for the purpose of starting on the neuroplasticity. I would be uploading many more videos in continuation of this, short videos in continuation of this, as an explanation to neuroplasticity. All these slides were taken from the internet resources.